Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make it the pencil holder with the package tape package roll. This is the empty now. There's no tape anything. But I used it and I decided to make it cup holder. I mean pencil holder. So what you need the scissor and pencil and glue gun. And what I did, as you see the circle here, just put this this guy and circle around. That's it. And circle around. Yeah, then take it out and start to cut. Uh, well, let's cut this first like this and like circle as you see, cutting there whatever you draw there. So it's so simple. It's not complicated. Just be patient. I'm a little bit rushing because I don't want to make a huge video with simple things, like this. Cut it this way and cut the other way. But it can take time. I don't want to make a more, like 10-15 minutes video with this simple thing. What are you gonna do? Just put underneath like this. Or then just what you do, just glue it around it with the gun, like that, all around. Then yeah, squeeze a little bit more. That's it, and bring it and put the bottom. Oof, my hand is a little bit get hot, and because it's. So be careful when you do that. Yeah, it's just adjust and clean the glue a little bit here and there. That's it. So this is the now it's underneath. Now you will put this on top of the what we're gonna do and put it the glue here, same as the other one, just around. Okay. Just put it and faster that glue not gonna dry right away, right? And just as you see, there is a small glues are here. Then you're gonna clean later on that. Let it dry a little bit, and let it dry a little bit, maybe 1 minute. Oh, a little hot. Yeah, 1 minute. This is almost done, as you see. Almost done. What else we can do? Just wait a little bit and clean it. This pants right there. This is the way. As you see that you can put the pencils like there. See? This is the way it is. I mean, it's so simple. But also what you can do, and you can color it as much as you can design it here, whatever you can do. I mean, whatever you like to do. You can paint all around what color you want, and you can divide this. Something that I am doing, maybe you like or not, but I just trying to show you. You can divide like this. Then after that, you can paint whatever you decide like this. I'm just giving you an example. That's this color, the other ones, other color. Like you can do different. I don't paint, just trying to design like this, but you can do some other things, and you can paint all the way white, all the way maybe it's like black, and whatever. I mean, whatever. See, you can make it anything. This I don't have any other color. I have these three colors that I am showing you what you can do. Yeah, that's, I like it. I mean, I love this kind of creating things. Maybe you will like it too. An idea came in my mind. I said, okay, let me do it and show on video that maybe people like it and they want to do it. So please, if you like my video, even though you don't like it, but I need your help that my subscribers more subscribers. So please subscribe and share this video. As you see, this is the way you can make it pencil holder, or this guy's holder, say anything that you can put it inside. See, or you can put the scissor like this, whatever. You can put the gun here, right there. So it's simple. It's fun to make the pencil holder, and maybe you can, I mean, there is a line here. You can do something that you can cover a line. For example, you can paint it. Yeah, you can paint it all nicely. But it's overall it's helpful. All right, thank you for watching. With another video, I will see you again. Bye bye.